the Tool Pros Podcast.
What's up, guys? I want to showcase this Klein 7-in-1 nut driver. I bought one a while back and I gave it to my other technician, so I bought another one today for myself. These things are awesome. I really regretted giving it away, but now I had a chance to buy one for myself and I did. So guys, what I like about it is this is a full nut driver set basically in one, or it's a almost a whole socket set. You can pull it out and you have on the end you have looks like the 1/2 inch or the 3/8. We'll see, we can read them on here. Nope, it's 1/2 inch and 11/32. Okay, and then you can pull out that one here, and that's our 1/4 inch. So these two go together. Then you have this nut driver here, which is our 7/16. Okay, that pulls out from the shaft there. And then on the other side, you have your 5/16 and your 3/8, and then you have your 9/16. So guys, this thing all goes all the way up to 1/2 inch and 9/16, which is awesome. I don't know any other nut drivers that do that. I don't know any other multiple nut driver like that. And not only that, you have the typical Klein spot where you can put your crescent wrench or your adjustable wrench here, or even channel locks to put the extra torque to untighten things. I don't know. This is a really cool setup, guys. I just wanted to show this off. This is the Klein 7-in-1 nut driver.